How to open Excel or CSV files in Google Sheets. You have to log in to your account, and you can find Google Sheets if you click on the top right icon that has like these 3x3 rows of dots, which shows you all the Google applications, and you can go to your drive, and this is where I'm in my drive right now. Here you can click on new and you'll be able to go to Google Sheets. You select this, you can open Google Sheets this way. You can also, if you click new and just click on that arrow, you can see two options, blank spreadsheet or from template. This is to open an empty file. If you want to open an Excel file, there's a couple of ways to do it. You can either go to the files you have. So I have a couple of files here, and I have CSV file and then Excel file, and I can just take these and actually drag it to my drive, and then I actually can double click on the file. Let's say I'm going to open this file, and what will happen, Google Sheets will open it, either right away convert it for you, or let me show you with the CSV file. If I double click on it, it opens kind of like a preview, and now you can click on the open with at the top and select Google Sheet. Now you can also, if you in your drive, I can go back here and I'm going to go to Google Sheets one more time and blank spreadsheet. You can also go to file at the top and say open, and here you can select the files that we had that we imported, or you can say upload and you can select a file from your device or drag these files to here to open them. So these are several ways you can open Excel files and then right away convert it to Google Sheets. Thanks so much for watching.